We have a new big battery phone from the Bluboo brand coming soon, and the Bluboo S3 is shaping up to be pretty good looking piece. At least today's released appearance video would hint at that. Bluboo always tried to give their phone a bit of some special, unique identity, and this one is no exception. With the special textured design of the back panel, Bluboo S3 will have quite some intricate design, and built with the CNC processed frame made of zinc alloy. But the spotlight is stolen by the skid-proof texture covering the whole back. With it and the rounded edges, the grip of the phone should be pretty comfortable and ergonomic. Speaking about the back panel, we can mention the vertical dual camera alignment with dual color, temperature LED flash on the sides, and fingerprint scanner below it. Looks quite heavily influenced by the Samsung S9. Bluboo S3 will be equipped with a big 6-inch in-cell sharp display with 189 aspect ratio and FHD resolution. The screen-to-body ratio should be as high as 91% according to the makers. The aforementioned dual rear cameras will be Samsung made, with 21 megapixel 5 megapixel sensors. Bluboo S3 have the USB Type-C 3.0 port capable of OTG.